Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got a Volkswagen Sharan for a little test drive. A little late night Autobahn test drive. Unfortunately we got a speed limit. But yeah, probably in this car we wouldn't go that fast. Well, under the hood there is a 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine which produces 150 horses. Interior wise there's a lot of plastic as you will expect it, and we got low equipment or standard equipment stuff, but that's enough for such a car. You got really a lot of space. Therefore it is a perfect daily for a kind of big family. Suspension is, yeah, it's a bit like a boat. We got a 6-speed manual transmission, and yeah, of course it's not a sports car, but it is really practical. You got a lot of space and still a kind of fast car with enough horses. What's really good about the space in this car, the back seats, they are adjustable and you kinda can catch some sleep at longer journeys, and you got a really big boot, enough for 5 people. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy the Autobahn blast now.